In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a custom font in Canva. If you want to make your designs look more unique or stay consistent with a brand style, uploading your own font can be a really useful feature. Canva makes the process fairly simple, and once your font is added, you can use it in your designs just like any other font inside the platform. One important thing to keep in mind before we begin is that this option is available as a Pro feature, so you'll need access to Canva Pro in order to use it. To get started, open Canva and sign into your account. Once you're inside the platform, open any design. It can be an existing project that you've already been working on, or you can open a new design if you prefer. The goal here is simply to get into the editor so you can access the text settings. After your design is open, check the text box area. If your design doesn't already have text in it, make sure you select or add a text box so the text formatting tools become available. This is important because the font options appear when you're working with text. Next, go to the Fonts menu. This is where Canva displays the available typefaces you can use in your project. In the font list, look for the option that says Upload a font and click it. Canva will then prompt you to select a file from your computer. Now choose your font file from your device. Make sure you select the correct font file you want to upload. Depending on the font you downloaded or created, this is usually a standard font file format that Canva can recognize. After selecting the file, Canva will ask you to confirm that you have the rights or permission to use that font. This step matters because fonts are often protected by licensing, so it's important to only upload fonts that you're legally allowed to use. Once you confirm, Canva will upload the font to your account. After the upload is complete, you'll be able to find that custom font in the font list whenever you edit text in your designs. From there, simply select your uploaded font and apply it to your text like you would with any other font. That's it. Open Canva, open your design, access the text settings, upload your font, confirm your usage rights, and then start using it in your project. If you want a more personalized and professional look, this is a great way to do it inside Canva.